Hi everyone, we are starting 10th standard YouTube tutorials from today. I am handling mathematics class. Firstly, I am choosing the chapter real numbers. In your previous classes, that is in 8th standard and 9th standard, you have already studied about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational number and irrational number. So what is natural numbers? You know from 1 to infinity, and the whole number includes 0 to infinity. Integers includes both positive and negative numbers. Rational numbers means where the numbers which are in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, and irrational number is not of the form p by q, for example root 2, root 5 and etc. are the irrational numbers. So what is real number? The real number is the number which include both rational and irrational numbers. So let's start with the chapter, and first topic is Euclid's division lemma. Lemma is a proven statement used to prove another statement. In our home we have two guests and also we have 7 pieces of sweets. We need to share 7 sweets equally to 2 guests, but by common division method we need to divide 7 sweets into 2 parts. So we get 3 plus 3 plus 1. So 1 will be remaining. Then it can be written as 7 by 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, where 7 is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, and 2 is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. That is 7 is the total number of sweets, 3 is the number of sweets per each guest, 2 is the number of guests, and 1 will be the remaining sweet. It can also be written as 7 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1. That is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In alphabetically it can be written as A is equal to B into Q plus R. Now let us see what actually Euclid division lemma says. Given positive integer A and B, then there exist unique integers Q and R satisfying A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0 and R is less than B. Now let us understand the statement of Euclid division lemma by solving example problem. Suppose we need to find the HCF of the integers 455 and 42. Now by the statement of Euclid division's lemma, let us consider a larger number 455 as A and B as 42. Now let's start with the largest integer, that is 455. Now divide 455 by 42, that is 42 tens are 420. 455 minus 420 is equal to 35. Now apply Euclid division lemma, where 445 is A and B is 42, Q is 10, 35 is R. Now apply it to the equation A is equal to BQ plus R. Substitute A, B, Q and R value, that is 445 is equal to 42 into 10 plus R. We need to continue up to the remainder should be 0. So let us continue the process to find the HCF of 455 and 42. Now consider the divisor 42 and the remainder 35. Now divide 42 by 35, then remainder will be 7. Then again apply Euclid division lemma, then we get 42 is equal to 35 into 1 plus 7. Because here A is equal to 42, B is equal to 35, Q is equal to 1, then R will be 7. Again we need to continue the process because the remainder is 7. Up to the remainder becomes 0, we need to continue the process. Now consider the divisor 35 and the remainder 7 and then apply Euclid division lemma, that is 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0, because the 35 is divided by 7, then we get remainder is equal and to here 0. A is equal to 35, B is equal to 7, Q is equal to 5 and remainder R is equal to 0. So by applying A is equal to BQ plus R, 35 is equal to 7 into 5 plus 0. Now we notice that remainder has become 0 and we can't proceed any further. So we claim that HCF of 445 and 42 is the divisor at this stage, that is 7. So HCF of 445 and 42 is 7. This is how we use Euclid division lemma to find HCF of two integers. Now let's solve another example problem. A sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis, 130 Badam burfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. What the number of that can be placed in each stack for this purpose? Now let's go through the solution. We need to find this by trial and error method, but to do it systematically, we need to find here the HCF of 420 and 130. Then this number will give the maximum number of burfi in each stack and the number of stacks will then the least. Now let us use Euclid algorithm to find HCF. Now we have 420 and 130. Divide 420 by 130, then we get above. That is 420 is equal to 130 into 3 plus 30. Then continue the process as taking A is equal to 130, B is equal to 30. Then divide 130 by 30, then we get the above. That is 130 is equal to 30 into 4 plus 10. Then again continue the process by taking 30 as A, B is equal to 10. Now divide 30 by 10, we get remainder 0. Then we need to write that in the form of A is equal to B cube plus R, that is 30 is equal to 10 into 3 plus 0. So the HCF of 420 and 130 is 10. Therefore the sweet seller can make stacks of 10 for both kinds of burfi. Here we will wind up today's class and let's continue in next class with the exercise problems.